Is RewardBee truly rewarding, or is it just a big waste of time? My name is Michael from paidfromservice.com, and I have joined this site myself, and in this RewardBee review I'm going to give you an inside look so you can see exactly what it offers, because honestly it has both some pros and some cons, and I'll show you both so then you can see and decide for yourself if it will be worth it before you actually sign up. Before we start, if this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the little bell so we get a notification and you won't miss out on any more tips and tricks and inside looks of paid service sites and get paid to sites. I have now logged into RewardBee, and as you can see here, when you first come in, there is quite a lot of surveys. You can take surveys and you can play games, and that's the earning methods. And the great thing about the surveys is that you will actually qualify for them. It's not like that you don't qualify for any of them, and they don't take too long. So that's definitely a plus. But you just need to, one thing you need to be aware here, it says $30 points. You might think like, oh wow, $30, that's an extremely high reward for a survey, and it would be for especially surveys this length, but it's dollar points. It doesn't mean they're actually worth $30, but we'll get to that when we get to the redeem section. But so just so you don't get your expectations too high on this, but this is definitely one way to earn these dollar points, the surveys, and there's quite a lot of them, as you can see. Then you have the play game section here, and here you say you earn $10 points. Again, you don't earn $10. You would not find a place where you earn $10 for playing 2 minutes like this. That's not how it works. But if you like playing little online games like this, then it can be a fun way to earn these points if you like the rewards. You can see there are games in more or less any category, so definitely can be a fun way to earn if you actually would like to get the rewards it offers. These same games are also offered on other sites that offer other rewards, so if it's the right site for you to play these games or not, you'll find out next when we talk about the payout methods. So I'm now in the redeem section, and this is something that is very important to understand exactly how the reward methods on RewardBee works, because that is what really decides if it's worth it for you or not. As you can see, most of the things here, rewards you get, is magazines. Some of them digital magazines, some of them actually physically sent. You can only join and get these rewards if you live in the US. But if you live in the US and you like some of these magazines, it can definitely be a real way, and it doesn't take too much effort to actually get some of these magazines. So that is fine, but they also have other reward methods. If you scroll down here, then you come down to all kind of others, and this is when it becomes a little bit weird and something you really need to know before, because then they make it look like you can get a free trial for example audiobook, and you pay these $10 points for that. So they make it look like this is a reward you have to pay points to sign up for. And this is a little bit strange, because these types of offers are on other sites, other survey and get paid to sites, are usually where you get paid quite a lot. Sometimes you would, for signing up for a free trial like that, you would get $3 to $5 because they get paid to refer you there. But here they make it look like it's a reward you have to pay for. But many of these exact kind of offers, signing up for whatever it is, like some kind of discount there, and 15% off some yoga, or free shipping with what is that, 3 gift if you sign up for some Chicago steak company, and all 7-day free trial for CBS. No, things like this is usually on service side what belongs under a paid survey or paid offer walls, where you get rewards for taking these free trials and discounts. So that's a little bit strange. So therefore, these reward options I don't really see as rewards. I see them as something that should belong where you should get paid to take them, and you can on many other sites. But when that is said, if you like the free magazines, then that is definitely a way to get free magazines here. So that's basically all RewardBee has to offer. As you can see, it's quite simple. And what I really like is that you qualify for most of the surveys. The thing that you just need to be aware is that these dollar points, it doesn't mean that you get $30. It's dollar points. It's their currency here. And the only thing you can really use them for is to get these magazines, either physical magazines and digital magazines. If you like these magazines, then it can definitely be a way to get them. But the other reward methods, that's just when it becomes a little bit weird for me, and they try to get you to use some of your rewards to take what on most other sites you get paid to take, and that's just a little bit strange for me. But so definitely, if you're using RewardBee, it should be because you like the magazines, and you should stick to that as the rewards, in my opinion. Because if you want some of the other rewards, you can join other get paid to sites and actually get paid for taking those. And on my website, paidfromservice.com, you can read the full details about RewardBee, and here you can also see a link to get paid to sites that actually gives you rewards for paid offers that they hear some of them ones they use as rewards. But overall, it's a legit site if you want the magazines, and it's free to join. But check out all the details on my website, paidfromservice.com. And also make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, so you will get more inside looks of get paid to sites and service sites, and tips and tricks about how to get the most out of these sites.